Hollyoaks Neeta and Mac for prison in shock double whammy? Are Hollyoaks Neeta Kaur and the Mac Nightingale about to get their comeuppance? Hollyoaks cast member Neeta Kaur's, Amrit Maghera, dirty teenage love affair with Hunter McQueen, Theo Graham, is finally out, and it's all down to jealous abuser Mac Nightingale, David Easter. The illegal secret was exposed when Mac was approached by Headteacher Sally St Claire, Annie Wallace, following Mac's assault on Neeta last night. On a mission to report Mac to the police, Sally fumed, "How dare you hit Neeta?" "She walked into a door," replied Mac. Sally continued, "She told me she hit it on the cupboard. I'm going to tell the police and have you arrested for domestic abuse." "Well, it won't be me who gets into trouble," Mac scorned. Sally snarled, "Yeah, like every thug, blame the victim. From now on, she's staying with me at Myra's." "You're an animal." But Mac had to have the last word, and good God, it was a bombshell. He snapped, "She's been sleeping with Hunter." Sally had a face like thunder after hearing the huge reveal, but what will she do with the news? Will she report her member of staff to the police and Mac for assault? Or has she got another plan in store? Catch First Look Hollyoaks weekdays from 7 p.m. on E4.